Hi guys, I am Engineer Hassan Adil. The topic of this video is what is Progress Spotlight in Primavera P6 and what is its use. Progress Spotlight is a very useful tool in the Primavera P6. We use it during the updation of our program. Progress Spotlight is located in the view here, and it is also in the front is located here. Progress Spotlight will highlight your activity in the yellow color which are in progress in your current update period. It is a very useful tool because you do not need to use the filter for your program which activity were in progress in your last current update period. For example, I will select the Progress Spotlight from here. It is giving me the yellow highlight area. These activities were in progress in my last current update period. Now it is easy for me to update my program in that period. Now it will highlight your activity according to your last current update period. You want to check what was your last current update period or what was your data date, go to the schedule. The last data date was 31st March 2014. Here it is showing you that the 31st of the March. Now it is for the next month showing you the activities which you will have to update. If you want to change it, the Progress Spotlight period, for example, now you do not want to update your program on monthly basis, but you want to update your program on weekly basis, you will right click here, select the time scale. You can change from here the time scale to the month weeks and apply it, and now again select the Progress Spotlight and you will see now it is showing you the only 1 week activity. The last update data date was 31st March and it is showing you the activities which are in progress for the 1 week. Now in this week you will update your program. It is a very useful tool. So from this highlight, yellow color highlight in your whole program, you know that you will have to update your program in that period. This is the use of Progress Spotlight in the Primavera P6. Thank you for watching this video.